Where do I find inspiration?
Yo, look at that. Oh my gosh, the color. It is gorgeous.
Guess what? I gotta paint it. Yay, here comes the rust. And I start off with the most pale colors first to plan where exactly I'm going to paint the parts that are rusted. Because there are some gaps that are not fully painted, that burnt orange color. So I left some gaps. Now I'm using a wide flat brush, kind of smoothing it over. And now I'm coming in with a small round brush to go ahead and highlight all of those areas that need to be darker or treated with a little bit different kind of color mixture. And here I'm using browns, reds, oranges, and just kind of having fun with the application of all of the different colors that I can see. I'm not finished. I've got lots of work to go over, and I need to finish up the details here. But I want to show you how I got here. And if you notice from the side, look at all this awesome texture to really make it look like that is concrete or stone. So I've got my video, and I will show you.